Hello my friends, if you're doing any crafting and you're using leather lacing, these rolls here cost around $8, $9 a roll, somewhere around there. And you can take your scraps and cut lacing for nothing, just for the price of a lace cutter. So let me show you what I have and how we did this. I have here two lace cutters. This one here is the Australian strander, and it's pretty well made. This one here is from Tandy, and it's made out of plastic. We're going to give them a shot, see how they go. Here's a bit that I already cut. Okay, one thing that you need to do, we're going to do this one first, is you need to avoid sharp bends. So I'm going to trim this a bit. You can start this with scissors or snips and feed it through, or do what I just did there. And once you get it started, you just maintain a pull and make sure that the leather on this side is up against the guide. And when you hit a curve, you want to take it a little bit slower. With this Australian strander, you can adjust the width of the leather with this thumb screw, so you can make wider bands. We'll have to try this with a thicker piece, and with this it looks like you can cut strands, almost cutting straps. Right there, looks like about a half of an inch. Okay, this is a piece of belt leather. And works very well on that. The thickness of the leather is determined by the slot right in here, and that can be adjusted with this screw. You see how it's offset in that brass piece? So if you flip this down right there and snug it up, now we're set for the thinnest piece of leather. The cutting blade is held with this screw, and as it dulls you can loosen this and shift this up or down, and also flip the blade over and cut with the other side of the blade. That one piece made, minus this, that one piece made 30 feet of lace right there. Pretty good. There's about 12 feet from that one little piece. Okay, with the tandy, you start from the center and work out. And you need to have a hole about 1.5 inches in diameter. And we need to make a round hole. Okay, it gives you 4 different widths of leather, and right here I'm working the smaller one, and the blade in here is an injector razor blade right in here. Okay, so the cutting edge is near the middle, so we place this and start it as you go up near the top. It gets a little wider. Once you get it started, trying to support the underside with my hand. Once the hole gets bigger, it cuts much easier. There, cut until you break through the other side. Here, the lace is pretty consistent. Both cutters work well. This will save quite a bit of money because a small spool of lace costs around $8 for the spool. So you can take your scrap leather and make lace, and the cutters are fairly inexpensive. I'll include a link to both these cutters with the description on this video. Thanks for watching, my friends. Bye-bye.